Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, another math problem coming from an engineering mathematics problem. April 2022, Electrical Engineering Boards, Trigonometry. Ang problem natin is, three circles of radii 3, 4, and 5 inches respectively are tangent to each other externally. So dinrawing na ni Sir IJ. So assume nyo na lang na tangent ang mga lodi cakes ha. Ibig sabihin 1 point lang sila nag-meet. Medyo pangit na yung drawing natin. Pero mapagtsatsagaan. Find the largest angle of the triangle formed by joining the centers. So let's say the first circle or the smallest circle, which is this one, has a radius equal to 3. So this is the center. So the radius of this is equal to 3. And the largest circle, let's say this is the largest circle and this is the center. Its radius is equivalent to 5 inches. And the last circle has a radius equal to 4 inches. So the problem is, what is the largest angle of the triangle formed by joining the centers? So basically guys, so we will just connect the centers. So this will be connected. This is connected. And this is also connected. As you notice, there is a triangle formed. If this is 4, this is also 4. If this is 3, this is also 3. If this is 5, this is also 5. 5 plus 3, so we have 8. 3 plus 4, that is 7. And we have 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. So redrawing the triangle, we have a triangle with side 7, 8, and 9. So what is asked is the largest angle. So the problem is find the largest angle of the triangle formed. So let us recall that the largest angle of a triangle is opposite of the longest side. So the 9 inches here is the longest side of the triangle formed by joining the centers. So kung ito yung longest side, automatically this will give us the largest angle. So tandaan po natin, we can use here, since 3 sides are given, we can use cosine law, that is correct. So let us recall that c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine of the angle c. So let's say this is angle C, in which it can be replaced as theta. So by cosine law, Sir IJ, cosine law. So what is our C? C is the one that is opposite of the largest angle, which is 9. So we have 9 squared equals 7 squared plus 8 squared minus 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 8 cosine of theta. Usually what I do here in my computation, especially kapag mga time pressure, ang ginagawa ko, nililipat ko agad siya. So we have 2 times 7 times 8. So that is 56 times 2. That is 112. Cosine of theta equals 7 squared plus 8 squared minus 9 squared. Ganyan lang siya mga idolo. Okay? So ibig sabihin yan, isosolve lang natin yung value ni cosine theta dito. So yung cosine theta natin is equal to 7 squared, that's 49, plus 64, minus 81 mga idolo, all over 112. Tapos, ang gagawin nyo lang, pupindot nyo lang sa calculator nyo yung arc cosine. Pero pwede nyo rin namang i-shift solve na yan. Basta make sure lang na naka-degrees kayo mga idolo. So, excuse me. So, applying arc cosine or the inverse of cosine, so we have theta is equal to approximately 73.4 degrees. You can check your answers mga lodi cakes. I hope na kahit pa paano na-refresh kayo ni Sir IJ sa paggamit ng cosine law. And tandaan po natin na ang cosine law ginagamit po ito kapag binigay tatlong sides or dalawang sides and an included angle. Other than that, gagamit na po tayo ng law of sines mga lodi cakes. Okay, so recall lang to. Tapos yung illustration, napaka-importante, yung concept ng external tangent. And ayun mga lodi cakes. Sana kahit paano may natutunan kayo or even na-refresh a video nito. And thank you so much to those who keep on supporting our channel. I hope you all the best. I hope you'll learn more sa mga susunod na engineering and math related contents sa Sir IJ. Thank you so much. Bye-bye and God bless.